What's going on, guys? Welcome to Melody Milestones, where my girlfriend and I are documenting our piano journey and showing you some things along the way. So I'm going to play this for you, and then I will show you how to play it. And so what that is just two arpeggios going up and down the piano, and each arpeggio is just 3 notes each. So you got C minor, so it's just those 3 notes, different octave up, another octave up, and then back down. And then, so it goes from C minor to F minor. So, just, again, sets of 3 notes, go up an octave, go up an octave. And those notes for each is, we'll start with C minor. So you got your 2 black keys. The white key that's just in front of those 2 black keys is the C. And then E flat, so this is your flatted 3rd, so the 2nd black key, and then the 5th of the C. And I have a music theory series going on where we'll get into all this, like root, flatted 3rd, 5th for minors, or root 3rd, 5th for majors. But yeah, that's another video. So C, flat 3rd, 5th. So the 5th here, you have 2 black keys on the set of 3 here. It's in between those first 2 is the G. And so you go to this one. So that's C minor, and then you're going to take that and go over to the set of 3 to F minor. And so you have your F, the first one in front of the 3 black keys, your F, and then your A flat, your flatted 3rd is the middle black key, and then your C again, the one right before the 2 black keys. So that's F minor, and so you'll just go to the next octave up, play that again, and so on. And back down. And the cool thing about this is it sounds great when you play it fast, but it also sounds very pretty when you do it slow. And then a thing I like to do is, if you're at a piano, there's like the 3 pedals, and that right pedal, if you press that in, it makes them ring out a lot more. So that can kind of make them blend together a bit. I'll press the pedal like halfway in just to get it to ring out a little bit. But if you're on a keyboard and you don't have the pedals, I mean, you can still kind of try to hold in the note as long as possible, and it still sounds great. yeah, it's just 3 notes going up and down, and then just another 3 notes going up and down. So fairly easy to learn, and then just a matter of practicing it, and it's good practice for your arpeggios. And yeah, hope that helps. Feel free to like this video or subscribe to the channel if you want to see more stuff like this. Drop a comment and say hi, let us know how it's going, or if there's anything else you want us to cover. And thank you very much for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.